PlaygroundEquipment.com has been giving families a better way to play since we started in 2006. Our family founders, yes, it's a family, quickly evolved their vision and transformed our brand from a local business to a nationwide supplier of commercial playground equipment. Here at PlaygroundEquipment.com, we follow the DIMPLE code. It's a promise and a process of design, installation, manufacturing, permanence, licenses, and education. We provide top quality products and superb customer service at an affordable price. Our headquarters is in Indianapolis, Indiana, where we store 29 of our most popular products in our distribution center for your quick convenience. Sometimes deadlines are tight and you need it now. Our quick ship program is perfect for that. Generally, these products ship just a few weeks after purchase. Now, suppose you have more time to create and play in your commercial playground. What else does PlaygroundEquipment.com offer? Let's find out. Playground structures are often the main attraction during playtime. It's easy to see why. There's so much to explore. There are unlimited possibilities to customize a playground structure depending on your needs and who's playing on it. Size, setting, accessories, themes, and colors. You're sure to be pleased with your one-of-a-kind playground structure. Line up for a turn on this classic and popular playground staple. Swing sets from PlaygroundEquipment.com come in various styles: single post, arch post, bipods, and tripods. We also offer a selection of different swing seats for all ages, sizes, and ability levels. Freestanding panels are great accessories to customize our playground and make it unique. These panels offer hands-on mental exercise for children in many subjects: math, spelling, music, mazes, and tic-tac-toe. Sharpen your addition skills or experiment with playing music. Spin, run, jump, and bounce on our freestanding playground equipment. Let children unleash their imagination, explore various types of movement, and build their social skills. Products like merry-go-rounds, seesaws, and spring riders teach kids to share and work together. Up for a physical challenge? Our playground climbers, obstacles, and balance beams are sturdy enough as kids answer the challenge and unique enough to let the imagination take flight. Climbers are a great way to build strength, develop coordination, and promote an active lifestyle. Fun, challenge, and exploration are playground basics. So is safety. 70% of injuries sustained on playground equipment involve falling to the surface. For that reason, you want to ensure you have proper safety surfacing. PlaygroundEquipment.com has you covered. Among the surfacing options we offer include poured-in-place rubber, wood fiber, and rubber mulch. Once we've worked with you to design, build, and deliver your playground equipment, it's time for installation. You have 3 install options: you, the customer, supervised, or professional. With a solid group of volunteers and the necessary tools, customer installation might be a good choice. DIY is the most affordable method, but it is crucial to have a plan and knowledge of how to install everything. Need a little guidance? No worries. With our supervised installation, the customer provides all the labor and tools, only with one of our certified supervisors to lead the way. This method is more cost-effective than professional installation, but ensures efficiency and prevents errors. Finally, our professional installation handles all the dirty work for you. We bring the knowledge, tools, and labor force to you, saving you from the hassle and uncertainty. All of our products are commercial grade. Playground equipment must meet strict standards to be considered safe, and our products exceed these standards. We even do some of our own in-house testing. PlaygroundEquipment.com is up to date on all standards set by IPEMA, ASTM, and the CPSC. Several of our employees are CPSIs, Certified Playground and Safety Inspectors as well. We are passionate about bringing joy to all ages: toddlers, children, teenagers, and adults. Our commercial playground equipment has a reputation for building friendships, boosting teamwork, and promoting physical activity. It's a tradition we continue to build on. Simple as a dimple. Superb customer service, top quality materials, and long-lasting products. It's our promise to every customer. PlaygroundEquipment.com provides everyone with a better way to play.